The gradual and expansive transformation of embroidery machines reflects a journey from humble origins to an age of technological sophistication. In their early days, embroidery machines were rudimentary tools, simple yet restrictive in the way they expressed the craftsperson's vision. They depended heavily on media like special tapes or punch cards for storing designs. The punch card system required operators to physically create a card with holes that corresponded to the design they wished to embroider. The precision and technical know-how needed to create these cards meant that only those with significant expertise could manage them effectively. For the most part, these machines were not user-friendly, and mastering their operations was a skill in itself. However, the world of technology is one marked by relentless progress and invention, paving the way for dramatic improvements in embroidery machinery. During the era when floppy disks were the primary method for data storage, embroidery machines underwent a significant transformation. They advanced to utilizing memory cards, which represented a considerable leap in design storage and retrieval. The shift to memory cards revolutionized the way embroidery was approached, offering a higher degree of flexibility and user-friendliness. Designers now had the convenience of storing multiple designs, and the process of changing between them was more straightforward than with the earlier cumbersome methods. The choice to embrace memory cards was a response to the evolving demands of the industry and the user's desire for efficiency and practicality. As technology marched forward, innovation led to the embracement of USB flash drives as the favored method for design transfer in contemporary embroidery machines. Flash drives heralded an era of heightened reliability, simplicity, and substantially reduced chances of losing precious designs due to storage media failure. The convenience they brought to the table was undeniable. Users could swiftly transfer elaborate designs from their computers to their embroidery machines, a process that aligned with the ever-increasing pace of the commercial embroidery sector. The financial consideration of acquiring commercial embroidery machines is substantial, particularly as of 2023. An individual or business looking to venture into this domain must prepare for an initial outlay ranging from around $6,000 for basic models to in excess of $50,000 for advanced, multi-head machines. Although the expenditure might seem daunting, the benefits of owning a modern, high-quality embroidery machine can quickly counterbalance the investment. By delivering an impressive boost in productivity, slashing laborious manual interventions, and enabling a more varied product offering, these machines demonstrate their value and financial viability in fast-moving commercial environments. One of the foremost advancements in the latest generation of embroidery machines is the advent of wireless design transfer capabilities. This quantum leap in technology allows for the seamless transfer of designs from a computer or cloud storage directly to the machinery without a physical tether. Prior methods necessitated the use of cables and manual connections between devices, every design transfer a cumbersome process. With the introduction of wireless transfer, the flexibility and ease with which designs can be created, stored, transferred, and modified have been elevated, catapulting the craft into a more dynamic and responsive era. Furthermore, contemporary embroidery machines boast a suite of additional sophisticated features that reinforce convenience and sophistication. Automatic threading eliminates the time-consuming and sometimes frustrating process of threading needles manually, a boon for operators especially when handling complex designs or multitasking on a busy production floor. Automatic tension adjustment is another significant upgrade, ensuring that each stitch is rendered with the correct tautness without manual intervention. This feature is critical for maintaining consistent quality across a run of embroidered items. Automatic design tracing is yet another marvel, offering users the power to easily replicate designs with precision, eradicating errors and ensuring that embroidery output maintains a high standard of excellence. In reviewing the evolutionary arc of embroidery machines, it is evident that the distance traversed is not merely measured in terms of technological leaps, but also in the enriched capabilities and creative possibilities these machines now afford. From the early days of relying on the punch card system, through milestones like the use of memory cards and flash drives, to the latest machines with wireless transfer and a cornucopia of other high-tech features, the progress of embroidery technology has been nothing short of impressive. While the investment required for top-end commercial embroidery machines is sizable, The return on that investment is typically manifest in amplified productivity, reduced manual labor requirements, and the capacity to provide a broader and more attractive array of embroidered products to discerning customers. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.